Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here to talk to you about a brand new trade-in. We just got in a 2018 243 NauticStar. Very cool boat for around our waters especially. It's powered by the Yamaha 200. Plenty of power for this. Hop straight up on plane. Let's get on board and see the rest. Here we are on board. Let's take a quick peek at some of the features on it. It's got U-shaped seating, so it's got a lot of seating here. Very comfortable for quite a few people. It's got a backrest on this one here for lounging. Nice, comfortable seat on the port side. Same thing on the starboard side for the captain's seat. Very nice. It's got a touchscreen SIMRAD, which is really nice feature. Xfinity stereo. Got a nice head in here as well. So good room in here. Looks like a brand new head. And then you've got a U-shaped seating on the bow as well. So you've got plenty of seating on this boat for quite a few people. You've got a beach boarding ladder as well. It's got a really large bimini top, great for keeping the sun off you. So if you've got any questions or would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.